Hey MiJulsz, welcome back to our channel. If this is the first time coming to our channel, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, do all that good jazz. And if this is not your first time, welcome back. What do you do? So today we will be playing the celebrity smash or pass. Okay, the only difference with this one, we've kind of put a twist to it. So we're gonna predict if we would smash that person or not, and then we'll actually reveal the proper answer. There's no place cards because the light is too bright. It won't allow us to, like when we show the card thing, you can't see the words on it, so we've just not included that. So yeah, let's go.
So babes, would you smash our pass? Usher.
Who?
Usher.
What Usher?
Usher Raymond.
I don't know who that is.
Usher Raymond. Usher. That's
Usher.
Oh my
Usher.
days.
What do you have to say what you think?
I think yes.
Usher Raymond. Oh my gosh, he's been my school crush, you know. Do you know what? For old time's sake, probably yeah. That's 1 point to you. Okay. Babe, would you smash or pass Rihanna? Now, I know my husband, I know that he would smash Rihanna.
It's a definitely still, isn't it?
What's definitely?
Yes.
Yeah, he said yes, you know, belong to Rihanna. Okay.
So, still on the international scene, would you smash or pass Chris Brown? I choose nah, maybe, but nah.
Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't smash Chris Brown. That's not my flavor, you know. Would you smash or pass Spice? I think you'll pass Spice, to be honest.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because knowing you and knowing the type of girls you like and whatever. Plus, you're just not a fan of Spice. Full stop. You think that she's too vulgar.
You have a point. I would pass. Definitely pass Spice.
See?
Not my cup of tea.
So you both got 2 out of 2. Okay.
Alright. Anyways, babe, would you smash or pass Safari?
Safari?
Yeah.
The guy has stripped him.
Yeah.
Him.
That guy. I would say babe wouldn't.
No, I wouldn't smash Safari.
I would say a preem.
No, I wouldn't, nah, not my cup of tea.
Is it?
No. Babe, would you smash or pass Lauryn Hill?
Lauryn Hill, that nice lady.
I think it's a hard one, but I think Babe would pass Lauryn Hill.
Thing is, yeah, if we're in the same age group.
No, we're not about age. We're not changing nothing. We're talking about at this point in time, with her being how old she is. There's no, if I was her age maybe, or.
How old is she?
I don't know.
Research it for me.
I don't know how old.
I'm curious with this one, you know. Because if she can sing, and she sings to me really well, like.
No, not about her singing. I'm saying, would you? I think you would pass her.
With the singing, I'm saying if she sings to me.
It's not about that, babe. Would you have sex with her or not?
If she sings to me, I probably would.
No, but it's an overall thing. Yes or no?
She has to sing.
No, there's no.
Yes.
No, baby, it's either a yes or a no, boo. You have to just talk up the things there.
It's a tight one. But. What's your picture? What's your picture?
No, babe, because I'm not looking at these people.
See that young still here? I would say yes. But I'm not going to take the chance, so I'm going to pass. Right there now.
Yes.
I'm change up the thing for babes, and I mean. So babes, Would you smash or pass the man who sing about the big toe? Ryan King himself. I know some of the days of all the thing for the mouse, my man, people like this.
Oi, behave yourself.
No, my babes, I mean, she probably drink a one rum bar or two, so I say yes, you know what I mean? What do you say?
Yes, I would smash. I would smash. I would smash.
You're like a 2 foot man.
Go away. Okay, babe, would you smash or pass Kelly Rowland? Now, I personally don't think Kelly Rowland is babe's cup of tea, so I would say he would possibly pass Kelly Rowland.
Well, I have a totally different perspective of what you're thinking of.
Really? Oh.
Definitely smash that lady.
Kelly Rowland?
Yeah.
Would you?
It's a must, yeah.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Oh. That's interesting. Okay. Didn't see that one coming. So I scored 0 right there. Okay. Your go.
Would you or would you not smash the dancehall king right now is Popcorn? I went ahead and I say yes, you know what I mean? Because Papi has some children. I see Tabby start whining. When she start whining on the table, I say, why? Oh, weird, she must have to touch, she must have to touch.
No, but that's unfair because you know Popcorn is my guy.
It's not
That's
fair.
my guy.
Like
Are you mad?
It's
Of course I would, even though he's so short and little bit. That's my boo thing.
Ryan King shot at that popcorn.
It don't matter, right? King and Popcorn can get it. And then, hello. Hi. And then.
That's it.
Yeah, that's my boo. This is the last and final girl.
Let me see. Better carry some.
Would you smash or pass Sensia?
Shensia.
Now, that one's a tricky one because Babe used to love Sensi at one point, but then it's like he stopped liking her for various reasons. But I don't know if that would deter him from actually smashing her. So I'm gonna say he would smash her. You would. I'm gonna say he would smash Sensia.
Yeah, I would.
Am I right? See? So the only one I got wrong was
yeah, have to be serious about it, you understand?
if it's ever like Golly Bop or anyone like that, I will kill you.
Would you smash or pass Jamaica one and only 6 bars?
Squash?
Squash man himself. Remember Squash man? He served 6 bars himself. Got a chop a big meat and everything. So, you know what I mean? You know how Babe stay already still, you know what I mean? We know where she go see already, but for some reason I feel like she would, you know what I mean?
No! I would pass! Pass! Squash! Hell to the no, auntie! You know what to the man belly?
You think you hug like a teddy bear?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
like a teddy bear.
No, sir. No. Okay, let's go. The last one for you. Would you smash or pass Steph London? Now, knowing Babe, knowing how he likes this, you know, the female body to be structured and whatever, I'm gonna say he would smash in a heartbeat. Yes, he would smash Steph London. Yes, he would smash Steph London.
Steph, no, she thinks Steph. Steph is nice, but still, she lacks something on me, like, you know what I mean? So,
You
she
would.
look good, but I'm gonna pass her.
Why?
She's nice and she's sexy, but for some reason she kind of seems solid, you understand?
What, too thick?
Yeah, she's a little bit too thick for me. I like them thick, but I like them decent. Steph kind of rough, you know what I mean? She's a bit rough.
Wow, okay, that's quite shocking.
She's a bit rough.
Okay, so MiJulsz, that concludes our smash and pass challenge. Is it challenge or is it a game? I don't know. Challenge game, whichever.
Yes.
I hope you liked it. Please let us know whether you liked it or not. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and you know, do all that good stuff. Share it. turn, huh?
That's about 6 bucks.
Me not going. Make sure you turn your bell notifications on, because if it's not on, turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Tell us what other challenges we should do. We're always open to suggestions. We're always open to suggestions. If you want to hit, remember to follow our social medias, and yeah, we'll see you soon, MiJulsz. We'll see you later. Me old Julszhassan, me new Julszhassan, me in between Julszhassan. Okay, bye. So nasty. You so nasty. Your body now. Lean forward. Let's lean forward. Yeah.
No, sir.
Yeah, what? God, man. Remember to follow up. Remember to. Like, got ants in his pants. You alright?